Hey guys, welcome back, and I have a new planner. Now this is the Scribble planner. I saw someone had this on YouTube and I said, what the hey, I haven't been satisfied with a planner yet. Okay, so this is the Scribble planner, and you get a monthly page, and then you get a blank page to just write whatever you want, or a weekly page. And then you go into your days of the week. So this is the weekly page right here. So the only thing about this planner is it goes Monday to Sunday. It doesn't start on Sunday. It goes Monday to Sunday, and you can write everything you have to do for the day on that entire week ahead. Okay. And then when you turn the page, you have a blank page and then your days. So this is a full day for Monday to do whatever you want. There's a full day for Tuesday to do whatever you want. There's a full day for Wednesday. So I mostly journal in my planners. So I might just have found what I'm looking for, maybe. So it goes through each day of the week. When it gets to Sunday, it starts over again with that next week. I'm going to show y'all. It goes through each day of the week, and then you get a layout of the entire next week before you go into full days again. So here's Saturday and here's Sunday. And then I get a full layout of the next week, Monday to Sunday. A full layout of that next week. So these are the full pages of the week, and then in between each week you get a full layout of your entire week. So this may work for me. You have some blank pages to scribble notes or whatever you want. In the middle, I noticed there's some quarterly goals. So let me know what y'all think. I also put the planner in one of my Coach binders. So cute.